Question 1, seconds. Of RBI Act 1934 gives sole power to RBI to issue currency notes. Option A. 10. Option B. 18. Option C. 22. Option D. 26. Answer C. 22. Question 2, diversification growth is defined as. Option A. Identify opportunities for further growth within the existing businesses. Option B. Identify opportunities to build or acquire businesses related to the existing businesses. Option C. Identify opportunities to add attractive businesses, unrelated to the existing businesses. Option D. None of the above. Answer C. Identify opportunities to add attractive businesses, unrelated to the existing businesses. Question 3, who regulates the insurance business in India? Option A. RBI. Option B. SEBI. Option C. IRDA. Option D. AMFI. Answer C. IRDA. Question 4, RBI exercises monetary control in India through. Option A. Issue of currency. Option B. Cash reserve and liquid reserve ratios. Option C. Repo and reverse repo rate. Option D. Regulated payment system. Answer B. Cash reserve and liquid reserve ratios. Question 5, building a brand doesn't involve. Option A. Brand positioning. Option B. Brand name selection. Option C. Brand marketing. Option D. Brand development. Answer C. Brand marketing. Question 6, which of the following is not required in case of a private limited company? Option A. Memorandum of Association. Option B. Articles of Association. Option C. Certificate to commence business. Option D. Certificate of incorporation. Answer C. Certificate to commence business. Question 7, creator of trust is referred as. Option A. Trustee. Option B. Beneficiary. Option C. Settlor. Option D. Garnishee. Answer C. Settlor. Question 8, who is the customer among the following? Option A. One who acts as an agent for one maintaining a deposit account. Option B. One who regularly gets draft issued. Option C. One who maintains a loan account. Option D. One who regularly visits the bank. Answer C. One who maintains a loan account. Question 9, while opening an account in the name of a joint Hindu family, a JHF letter is obtained. It will be signed by. Option A. Karta. Option B. Adult co-parceners. Option C. Minor co-parceners. Option D. Only by A and B. Answer D. Only by A and B. Question 10, the measurement and evaluation of progress against the goals and targets of plans falls under. Option A. Planning. Option B. Implementation. Option C. Control and review. Option D. Analysis. Answer C. Control and review. Question 11, ABC Company purchased Hear Music and began making compilation music CDs to play and sell in its stores. It has also tested new restaurant concepts. It is considering which of the following strategies? Option A. Product development. Option B. Market development. Option C. Diversification. Option D. Market penetration. Answer. A. Product development. Question 12. A check drawn by a power of attorney holder is presented for payment. You come to know through reliable source that principal has died. Which of the following action you will take? Option A. Return the check. Option B. Pay the check. Option C. None of these. Option D. Confirm the legal heirs of the principal. Answer A. Return the check. Question 13. The banking ombudsman may reject the complaint on the following grounds. Option A. Complaint is without sufficient cause. Option B. Complaint is not pursued with reasonable diligence. Option C. There is no loss or damage or inconvenience suffered by the complainant. Option D. Any one or all of the above. Answer D. Any one or all of the above. Question 14. Fortnightly average borrowing outstanding of commercial banks should not exceed more than % of their capital funds. Option A. 100. Option B. 125. Option C. 150. Option D. 175. Answer A. 100. Question 15. The bank is required to comply with the execution of the award of banking ombudsman within. The bank is required to comply with the execution of the award of banking ombudsman within. Option A. 7 days. Option B. 15 days. Option C. 30 days. Option D. 60 days. Answer B. 15 days. Question 16. Relationship between banker and customer in case of deposit account is. Option A. Creditor-debtor. Option B. Bailor, bailee. Option C. Debtor, creditor. Option D. Licensor, licensee. Answer Debtor, creditor. Question 17. There is a joint account in the names of A and B to be operated upon by both of them jointly. On the death of A, the credit balance in the account is payable to. Option AB. Option B and legal heirs of A jointly. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. None of these. Answer B and legal heirs of A jointly. Question 18. What can be a characteristic of physical products? Option A. Inseparability. Option B. Heterogeneity. Option C. Homogeneous. Option D. Perishability. Answer C. Homogeneous. Question 19. Apart from product, price, and place, which is the other one in 4PS? Option A. Profit. Option B. Plan. Option C. Promotion. Option D. People. Answer C. Promotion. Question 20. Which of the following is not true in respect of guardian to minor? Option A. Guardian of illegitimate minor child, mother. Option B. Guardian of Hindu married minor girl, girl's father-in-law, if husband minor. Option C. Testamentary guardian becomes effective after death of father and mother. Option D. Natural guardian varies from religion to religion. Answer B. Guardian of Hindu married minor girl, girl's father-in-law, if husband minor. Question 21. Which of the following forms of business are permissible under BR Act? Option A. Borrowing. Option B. Issuance of letters of credit. Option C. Buying and selling of bullion. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 22. FIMDA's general principles and procedures are applicable to. Option A. Fixed income markets. Option B. Money markets. Option C. Derivatives markets. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 23. Mode of communication capable of receiving and transmitting at all time, i.e., two-way communication simultaneously possible, is option A. Simplex. Option B. Semi-duplex or half-duplex. Option C. Duplex. Option D. None of the above. Answer C. Duplex. Question 24. Which one doesn't offer voting rights? Option A. Equity shares. Option B. Preference shares. Option C. Bonus shares. Option D. Rights shares. Answer B. Preference shares. Question 25. Which is not an objective of test marketing? Option A. To know how the consumers and dealers react to handling, using, and repurchasing the actual product. Option B. To learn the size of the market. Option C. To test the product in authentic consumer settings. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 26. Sale or purchase of government securities by RBI in open market is called as Option A. Credit planning. Option B. SCC. Option C. OMO. Option D. CA. Answer C. OMO. Question 27. How many types are T-bills are issued? Option A2. Option B3. Option C4. Option D5. Answer B3. Question 28. Mode of communication capable of receiving and transmitting both but only one at a time is Option A. Simplex. Option B. Semi-duplex or half-duplex. Option C. Duplex. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Semi-duplex or half-duplex. Question 29. Who is eligible to issue CPS? Option A. Corporates. Option B. PDS. Option C. FIS. Option D. All of them. Answer D. All of them. Question 30. LC is issued by the opening bank on request of Option A. Seller. Option B. Supplier. Option C. Applicant. Option D. Beneficiary. Answer C. Applicant. Question 31. Are not commercial banks Option A. Public sector banks. Option B. Cooperative banks. Option C. Private sector banks. Option D. Foreign banks. Answer B. Cooperative banks. Question 32. The bank that makes payment to the beneficiary on receipt of documents as per terms of letter of credit is Option A. Advising bank. Option B. Negotiating bank. Option C. Confirming bank. Option D. Opening bank. Answer B. Negotiating bank. Question 33. Equity shares are issued on redemption of bond to the holder of bond. Option A. Coupon. Option B. Convertible. Option C. Preference. Option D. Zero coupon. Answer B. Convertible. Question 34. NREP has been merged into Option AEAS. Option B. NRY. Option C. JRY. Option D. PMRY. Answer C. JRY. Question 35. The deposit of cash under CRR requirement with RBI is requirement. Option A. Voluntary. Option B. Discretionary. Option C. Mandatory. Option D. None of the above. Answer C. Mandatory. Question 36. A direct marketing channel is also called level channel. Option A0. Option B1. Option C2. Option D3. Answer A0. Question 37. In the recent years, importance of marketing has increased due to option A. Availability of information to customer. Option B. Target and customized communications and offerings. Option C. Consumer has wider choices. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 38. In a book built issue allocation, REIS, NIIs, and QIBs are in the ratio of option A. 30 hours 20 minutes and 50 seconds. Option B. 35 hours 50 minutes and 15 seconds. Option C. 35 hours 15 minutes and 50 seconds. Option D. 30 hours 50 minutes and 20 seconds. Answer C. 35 hours 15 minutes and 50 seconds. Question 39. Bank can grant loans against option A. Lick policy. Option B. CDs. Option C. FD issues other bank. Option D. Mutual fund. Answer A. Lick policy. Question 40. CBIL came into effect with effect from option A. 1999. Option B. 2000. Option C. 2001. Option D. 2002. Answer B. 2000. Question 41. Which is not a retail deposit product? Option A. Credit card. Option B. Term deposits. Option C. Senior citizen deposits. Option D. No frills ACCT. Answer A. Credit card. Question 42. Marketing passes through the management functions of option A. Analyzing. Option B. Planning. Option C. Controlling. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 43. As per Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1973, which one of the following forms is to be used by the exporter for declaring the exports made to all countries otherwise than by post? Option A. PP forms. Option B. GR forms. Option C. VP forms. Option D. COD forms. Answer B. GR forms. Question 44. Which is not a characteristic of services? Option A. Perishable. Option B. Tangible. Option C. Heterogeneous. Option D. Inseparable. Answer B. Tangible. Question 45. Which one of the following committees introduced the concept of weaker sections within the priority sector for the first time in India? Option A. Ayha Committee. Option B. Nariman Committee. Option C. Krishnaswamy Committee. Option D. None of these. Answer. C. Krishnaswamy Committee. Question 46. What are the provisions of remuneration of the banking ombudsman? Option A. He is eligible for remuneration and other perquisites. Option B. This will be determined by the RBI. Option C. This has to be borne by banks proportionately. Option D. All the above. Answer. D. All the above. Question 47. As per Sector 3 of the Majority Act, a person below how many years of age is minor in case guardian has been appointed by court? Option A. 16. Option B. 18. Option C. 21. Option D. Depends upon court order. Answer. B. 18. Question 48. Normally the day of auction for 91-day T-bill is. Option A. Wednesday. Option B. Wednesday of reporting week. Option C. Wednesday of non-reporting week. Option D. None of the above. Answer. A. Wednesday. Question 49. A power of attorney PA executed abroad, should be stamped within how many months of its receipt in India? Option A. 1 month. Option B. 2 months. Option C. 3 months. Option D. 6 months. Answer. C. 3 months. Question 50. Which of the following is not true in respect of executors? Option A. Appointed by a testator through a will. Option B. Appointed by court in absence of a will to act through letter of administration. Option C. Performs the duty of realizing and distributing the assets of a deceased. Option D. On death of one of the executors his powers are vested in surviving executors. Answer. B. Appointed by court in absence of a will to act through letter of administration. Question 51. Which one is a distributed control network? Option A. Star topology. Option B. Bus topology. Option C. Tree topology. Option D. Loop topology. Answer. B. Bus topology. Question 52. Commonly used medium of communication in banking. Option A. Coaxial cables. Option B. Fiber optic cable. Option C. Telephone lines. Option D. None of these. Answer. C. Telephone lines. Question 53. DOS floppy disk does not have. Option A. A boot record. Option B. A file allocation table. Option C. A root directory. Option D. Virtual memory. Answer. D. Virtual memory. Question 54. Credit card is a small plastic card of around cm. Option A. 7.0 x 5.5. Option B. 8.5 x 5.0. Option C. 7.5 x 5.0. Option D. 8.5 x 5.5. Answer. D. 8.5 x 5.5. Question 55. The way devices are interconnected is known as. Option A. Network. Option B. Topology. Option C. LAN. Option D. None of these. Answer. B. Topology. Question 56. In Garnashi order, balances held outside India. Option A. Can be attached. Option B. Can't be attached. Option C. Can be attached if ordered so by the court. Option D. None of these. Answer. B. Can't be attached. Question 57. in which account customer has the flexibility to select the number of installments and also vary his monthly installment amounts subject to certain conditions. Option A. An EEFC account. Option B. A variable recurring deposit account. Option C. A flexi deposit account. Option D. A roaming current account. Answer B. A variable recurring deposit account. Question 58. RSA is. Option A. Symmetric crypto system. Option B. Asymmetric crypto system. Option C. Block cipher. Option D. Digital signature. Answer B. Asymmetric crypto system. Question 59. Firewalls are used to protect against. Option A. Unauthorized attacks. Option B. Virus attacks. Option C. Data-driven attacks. Option D. Fire attacks. Answer A. Unauthorized attacks. Question 60. Minimum tenor of government securities is. Days. Option A1. Option B2. Option C3. Option D5. Answer A1. Question 61. SCBs can lend to the extent of % of their capital funds on any day. Option A25. Option B50. Option C75. Option D100. Answer B50. Question 62. Compiler is a. Option A. Package. Option B. System software. Option C. Process. Option D. Application software. Answer B. System software. Question 63. If number of partners in a firm is 22 in respect of trading activity, the firm is. Option A. Limited company. Option B. Large partnership. Option C. A legal association. Option D. None of these. Answer C. A legal association. Question 64. CPS are issued normally for a tenure of. Option A. 30 days. Option B. 60 days. Option C. 90 days. Option D. 120 days. Answer C. 90 days. Question 65. The validity period of SCBI's observation letter for IPO offer document is. Option A. 1 month. Option B. 2 months. Option C. 3 months. Option D. 6 months. Answer C. 3 months. Question 66. ECS Rapid was introduced by RBI in. Option A. 1945. Option B. 1996. Option C. 1997. Option D. 1998. Answer C. 1997. Question 67. Smallest storage unit of a computer is. Option A. Bit. Option B. Byte. Option C. Nibble. Option D. Pixel. Answer A. Bit. Question 68. MICR was introduced in. Option A. 1995. Option B. 1954. Option C. 1965. Option D. 1956. Answer B. 1954. Question 69. Reforms in the financial services sector were initiated on the recommendations of Committee. Option A. Janki Raman. Option B. Narsinghan. Option C. Tarapur. Option D. Rangarajan. Answer B. Narsinghan. Question 70. Treasury bills are issued for a period of up to. Option A. 30 days. Option B. 31 days. Option C. 90 days. Option D. 91 days. Answer D. 91 days. Question 71. Notice money means money lent/borrowed between banks and entities like PDS4. Option A. 1 day. Option B. 2 to 14 days. Option C. More than 14 days. Option D. None of these. Answer B. 2 to 14 days. Question 72. In banks' parlance, credit risk in lending is. Option A. Default of the banker to maintain CRR. Option B. Default of the banker to maintain SLR. Option C. Default of the banker to release credit to the customer. Option D. Default of the customer to repay the loan. Answer D. Default of the customer to repay the loan. Question 73. Headquarters of SWIFT is at. Option A. New York. Option B. Paris. Option C. Brussels. Option D. London. Answer C. Brussels. Question 74. ECS was launched by RBI in. Option A. 1995. Option B. 1996. Option C. 1997. Option D. 1998. Answer A. 1995. Question 75. Digital signature consists of. Option A. Message only. Option B. Random number only. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Both A and B. Question 76. Online marketing is the function of which of the following? Option A. Purchase section. Option B. Production department. Option C. IT department. Option D. A collective function of all staff. Answer D. A collective function of all staff. Question 77. Lead generation does not mean. I. Tips for selling tactics. 2. Tips for better production. 3. Likely sources for prospective clients. Option A. Only, I, and, 2. Option B. Only, I, and, 3. Option C. Only, 2, and, 3. Option D. I, 2, and, 3. Answer A. Only, I, and, 2. Question 78. XPI is set up on the recommendations of which committee? Option A. SS Tarapur Committee. Option B. Dr. C. Rangarajan Committee. Option C. Vijay Kelkar Committee. Option D. Montek Singh Ahluwalia Committee. Answer A. SS Tarapur Committee. Question 79. Relationship of banker with payee of draft. Option A. Trustee and beneficiary. Option B. Drawer and drawee. Option C. Licensor and licensee. Option D. Principal and agent. Answer A. Trustee and beneficiary. Question 80. In terms of PMLA, records of cash transaction of 10 rupees lakhs and suspicious transactions are required to be maintained for a period of option A 5 years, option B 10 years, option C 15 years, option D 25 years. Answer B 10 years. Question 81, 01 St August of every year is observed as option A KYC Compliance Day, option B KYC Compliance and AML Day, option C Computer Security Day, option KYC Compliance and Fraud Prevention Day. Answer D KYC Compliance and Fraud Prevention Day. Question 82, which section of Banking Regulation Act, 1949 provides nomination for payment of depositors' money? Option A Section 42, option B Section 24, option C Section 110A, option D Section 45ZA. Answer D Section 45ZA. Question 83, suspicious transactions reports, STRs, is submitted to option A RBI, option B Banking Department, Ministry of Finance, option C FUIND, option D Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. Answer C FUIND. Question 84, normally the amount of auction for 182-day T-bill is crores. Option A 4,000, option B 5,000, option C 6,000, option D 7,000. Answer C 6,000. Question 85, the headquarter of IMF is located at option A London, option B Washington, option C New York, option D Paris. Answer B Washington. Question 86, Basel II consists of 3 mutually reinforcing pillars, viz., minimum capital requirement, supervising review of capital adequacy, and the third one is option A internal audit, option B JAIIB, option C CRA, option D market discipline. Answer D market discipline. Question 87, under the Banking Ombudsman Scheme a complaint can be lodged with the Ombudsman. Option A within in the specified jurisdiction, option B with the head office of the bank, option C with the consumer of the bank, option D any of the above. Answer A within in the specified jurisdiction. Question 88, a corporate bond which carry a rating of D is considered to be option A highly safe, option B high probability of default, option C can't say, option D none of the above. Answer B high probability of default. Question 89, normally the day of auction for 182-day T-bill is option A Wednesday, option B Wednesday of reporting week, option C Wednesday of non-reporting week, option D none of the above. Answer C Wednesday of non-reporting week. Question 90, real-time gross settlement, RTGS, is managed by option A State Bank of India, option B Reserve Bank of India, option C Indian Banks Association, IBA, option D Government of India. Answer B Reserve Bank of India. Question 91, overdrafts granted against no-frills accounts in rural and semi-urban areas is classified as Option A. 50% direct advance to agriculture sector. Option B. 100% direct advance to agriculture sector. Option C. 100% indirect advance to agriculture sector. Option D. 100% direct advance to personal segment. Answer C. 100% indirect advance to agriculture sector. Question 92. What is the provisions of remuneration of the banking ombudsman? Option A. 60 years. Option B. 62 years. Option C. 65 years. Option D. 68 years. Answer C. 65 years. Question 93. Forex is a hour market. Option A. 8. Option B. 12. Option C. 24. Option D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above. Question 94. LIBOR is not issued for. Option A. USD. Option B. GB pound. Option C. INR. Option D. Japanese yen. Answer C. INR. Question 95. NSE MIBOR is based on the rates polled by NSE from a representative panel of banks/FIS/BDS. Option A. 30. Option B. 31. Option C. 50. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. 31. Question 96. FARA came into force with effect from. Option A. January 1, 1973. Option B. January 1, 1974. Option C. January 1, 1983. Option D. January 1, 1984. Answer B. January 1, 1974. Question 97. What are the provisions of remuneration of the banking ombudsman? Option A. He is eligible for remuneration and other perquisites. Option B. This will be determined by the RBI. Option C. This has to be borne by banks proportionately. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 98. Which of the following is not a popular social marketing network? Option A. Facebook. Option B. Pinterest. Option C. Twitter. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Pinterest. Question 99. In respect of which one of the following cooperative institutions the percentage share of deposits in their total financial resources is the lowest among all the institutions given in the list? Option A. PAX. Option B. DCCB. Option C. SCB. Option D. PLDB. Answer D. PLDB. Question 100. Any contract with minor is void ab initio in terms of which of the following act? Option A. Seconds 34 Transfer of Property Act 1882. Option B. S11 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Option C. Sector 26 Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Option D. Sector 6 of the Majority Act. Answer B. S11 of Indian Contract Act 1872.